Hey guys, this is the Minecraft Legend coming to you guys with, as you can tell by the title of this video, how to build a gaming computer for around $800. Alright, so first off I want to say stay connected with the Minecraft Legend. Links for all my social media sites will be in the description below. So go follow, like me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Let's start off with the motherboard. Topping off at $199.99, we have the Asus Sabertooth 990 FX motherboard. This features processor socket would be AMD. So again, you have to use AMD with the with it, which, I mean, if you think about it, it's actually pretty good. I love AMD. That's what I use currently right now, but that's not what I'm here to talk about. Processor supported would be the Athlon 2, the Phantom 2, the AMD FX, and the Sempron 100. And it is equipped with up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, of DDR3 RAM, sorry. It has one PCI slot, one PCI Express slot, expansion slot, and 4 PCI Express slots, the really long ones. So you can really have some fun with that one. And it comes for it, you can have up to 5 fans, including the the processor fan. It is for audio. It is 8 channels. It also comes with a total of 12 USB ports with 4 USB 3.0. So any way you go, this motherboard is gonna get the job done. And moving on to the RAM that I selected for this, it is Patriot DDR3 16 gigabyte 1866 megahertz in 4 slots. Yes, 4 slots. The motherboard, excuse me, can't talk today, guys. The RAM will run really good. You really don't need the 32 gigabytes that is recommended, or that's not recommended, but is the maximum for the motherboard. But either way, it is still going to be a really good computer with the 16 gigabytes of RAM. So that is for $109.99 at fries.com. And moving on to the processor. So first off, with the processor, we have at $154.29, we have the AMD FX 8320 FX Series 8-core Black Edition. This processor is going to run you really good with 8 cores, so that means a lot of processing, or a lot of programs can be run really smooth with this. And plus, it's only at $154. So to get a high-end one, that is actually pretty cheap. So I would definitely check that out. Moving on to the graphics card. Topping off at $74.99, we have the Diamond Radeon HD 6570 graphic card. It is 2 gigabytes of captcha, I think it's pronounced, with GDDR3 SD RAM, and it is a PCI Express 2.1. And I know I said on the motherboard is PCI Express 2.0. Well, 2.0 and 2.1 and 2.2 are all interchangeable. You can use them, it'll be perfectly fine. But it does come with a fan. It has a limited 1-year warranty at Studica, I don't know how to pronounce it, but links for all these will be in the description below. So that will be a really good graphics card, and it'll even work for this computer, or for this motherboard, sorry. Now let's go on to the hard drive. For $60 or $59.99, so $60, you have Western Digital Blue 1 terabyte desktop hard drive, and well, you're gonna get a lot of stuff on here, especially if you're doing video editing. Which, if you're playing games and you're doing this for YouTube, you will be doing video editing. So on Amazon it is $60, but the prices will change very soon, back up to $100 of the list price. So I'd go check that out really soon. And let's go on to the case. For the case, I have the Rosewill FB03 Dual Fans ATX Mid-Tower Computer Case, and it comes with one front 120 millimeter fan and one rear 80 millimeter fan. Overall, this will fit everything in your computer, and it looks really good. I will post links for it again in the description below. And oh, that is on Newegg.com. Now let's go to the optical drive that I have selected for this build. It is the Asus 24X DVD rewriter and writer. It'll still read and everything just as a regular optical drive, but you also have the option to do writing your stuff on there. So overall, that is really good, topping off at $22.05 on Amazon. Really good, and it's SATA, so we'll definitely work on this computer. And let's go to the power supply. We have the Corsair Builder Series CX 600 watt ATX EPS 800 plus, topping off at $66.24. Overall, this is going to be a really good one. Plus, it has, I believe it has 6 SATA connectors, and if you want to have a floppy disk on there as well, you can very easily do that, because it does have one floppy drive. It comes with 4-pin peripheral connectors. It comes with 4 of the 4-pin ones, 2 PCI Express connectors, and yeah, it's 600 watts, and it'll fit in the case. It's always a big concern when getting I'm sorry guys, I just blanked out right now. When building a computer is if all your components will fit in the case. It does seem to be that it will fit in the case. So you also need an operating system. So with that, I will say either Windows 7 or Windows 8, topping off at $100. In total, this PC will cost, hold on guys, let me do the math. I think it was $120. Let me do it real quick. And also, I am rounding up to the nearest dollar. So, 60, 30, 67, 23, 1. In total, $820. So it is very affordable, you could say, to someone who has the money to do it. Yeah, so that was pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did and would like to see more budget builds, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down if you have any questions at all. I will be happy to answer them. And like always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.